Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and just a quick update to the name. We officially know the name of the next version of Windows 10. Now, I had been referring to this name already, October 2018 update, but it was from a Twitter post by the Walking Cat that was one of the first to actually see in the code that it was referred to as this name. Now, Microsoft officially announced at the IFA 2018 tech convention in Berlin that Microsoft is calling the Redstone 5 build, the next version of Windows 10, the October 2018 update. So this is very interesting. Of course, the version number for this update will be 1809. Meaning that the final release will be in September. And the big focus of the October 2018 update that we learned from an internal scoop is really stability. It's kind of the key word for the Windows 10 update. So although it contains some new features, really stability is what they want to try to tweak in here. And on a side note, we kind of hear that apparently September 25th is a possibility for insiders to have the official final release before it will be, of course, sent out in the first half of October 2018. So it's the first half of October 2018 that will be basically the release. Of course, you know, anything can happen with these dates. If you remember, guys, the April 2018 update had quite a few problems and was delayed and delayed again. So if everything goes right, September 25th or around the last week of September, insiders get the real deal. And it's rolling out to everybody if all goes well, first half of October 2018. So it's official. That's what we know. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.